Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to add custom colors using our fill and stroke tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, now let's say we wanted to add custom colors to our design. In other words, instead of just changing colors, we also add it to perhaps our swatch table at the bottom. Then we can use it over and over, and it's not a part of our standard stock or default colors. So what I'm going to do is just quickly create a color here. So I'll make a shape, a rectangle. Let's just minimize that. The color. And then I'm going to duplicate this so we can just see the variation. So now as you can see, this color is here on our actual swatch toolbar already. At the moment it's also set as my default, so we can just simply click a different one to change it if we want. But I'm going to keep this one selected so we can see the difference, this color. So now what I want to do is I'm going to quickly open our color mixer. Just get the icon there for you guys. So color mixer, as you can see, shortcut is M. If we select that, it will open up our color mixer. And as you can see, we've got the right rectangle or square here selected. Now we can simply adjust the color. At the moment it's set to RGB, so we can set the red, green and blue. You can also use this U slider if we want to adjust this. And then you will notice as well, as we go lower, it becomes darker, higher, lighter. So this actually has the U, it's got the value, and it's got a form of saturation. But not the most control for saturation. So in order to do that, what we can do is select this little drop down menu and go to HSV. So this stands for U, saturation and value. And as you can see here, now we've got the U. So this one won't adjust the value or the saturation at all. Then we've got the saturation here, and then we've got the value. So if we want to make it darker or lighter. So let's just make a custom color. I'm going to make something maybe quite obvious, so then we can nicely see it in the bottom panel. See what is not there that's already so extremely obvious. We have just about everything there. So I'm just going to grab, maybe let's go for like a pink. We already have a neon pink, but this is going to add it here in our list by our custom areas. So now as you can see, our cube has changed to that color. So now let's say we want to add this color to our list so we can use it over and over. Then we want to select the object which has the color already. Then with our fill and stroke editor open over here, and make sure you're on the first tab, which is the fill. Then what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to left click and hold this color. Then I'm going to drag this all the way to our color swatch, release left click, and then you'll see there just added it to our list. Now the name of that is not set. There is ways we can go about doing that, which I will show you. But right now it's kind of just showing the U, saturation value. If this was an RGB color, it would show you the red, green and blue. And but yeah, so now we've got it there. So if I had to delete this, let's say I maybe create another shape, an oval or a circle. Now with this shape selected, I can simply click on that color and it will change our shape to that. So yeah, that is our first approach to adding custom colors to our swatch. It's definitely a very quick way. Second way, it's going to be a bit more thorough, like I said, with more information on the color if we want to do that. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.